We'll guide you through how to add moving text and video Filmora. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to make their videos more engaging with animated text. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device so you can follow this tutorial smoothly without any interruptions during the editing process. Then, double-click the application to open it and wait until the main interface appears on your screen. After it opens, select New Project to create a new project workspace where you will begin editing your video. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to configure your project properly. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK to confirm your settings before continuing. Next, click Stock Media, then select Motion Background to access animated backgrounds available inside the software. Scroll down and choose one background to use based on your preference and project style. Click the plus icon, then choose Keep Project Settings so the background matches your timeline configuration. In the timeline, duplicate it as needed to extend the duration so it fits your desired video length. Go to the top menu and select Titles, then choose Default Title to add basic text to your project. Click the plus icon, adjust the text position in the timeline, then go to the left side and open the text panel for editing options. Change the text to How to Add Moving Text and Video Filmora and adjust the text style as desired, including font, size, and color. If it is ready, select the text again, then click Animation to explore preset motion effects. You can create moving text using the available animations by applying one that fits your design. As an alternative, select the text panel and scroll down to find the transform option for manual control. You can add a keyframe, then set the starting position of the text. Move the timeline a few seconds forward, then add another keyframe to define the movement. Then, change the text position in the preview to create a motion effect. If it is sufficient, click the full screen icon to preview clearly. Watch the result. Adding moving text and video Filmora is successful.